Welcome to the Young Minds International family. This is your official induction into our vibrant community of change makers. We are thrilled to have you join us and become about Young Minds International. Our club is committed to impacting lives through service projects. We believe in power, unique skills, experiences, and perspective that enrich our movement, and we value the contributions you will bring into the community. Actively participate and share your thoughts as we work together to build an empowering movement. Throughout the year, we engage in various activities: volunteering, fundraising, environmental and outreach programs. We believe in creating a better world through collective service. Education and involvement are vital to our society. Secretary sir. Installation. Sir, we have to establish our credibility in managing funds. Because अదే main you will wait at the time of conducting any meeting of this Young Minds International as club president.
We are married.
Yes, yes, we are married to the international by Young Minds. Okay, hearty congratulations, and you will take all the initiatives and all. That is the very purpose of starting a organization, and you will definitely do this. Excel and bring laurels to the art.
Photo, sir. Photo.
ఆదరించబడతాను బివి నారాయణరావు రీజనల్ చైర్